Rhea.
Papel ko. Pwede kayo kumuha ng isa pang ganito?
Ang dami na kami sa dinner.
Gabi naman iwanag namin.
Hi guys! Dito na kami sa dinner namin. Wow! King crab!
Gawin mo nga rin.
Hi ka, Angela.
Hi, vlog! Tubig sila sa
Hi ka. Ganda ng room natin. I love it.
Now on our way to the port.
Ano port?
Before the COVID.
Kita nyo na,
But this one is one of the best right now, I think. I think one of these is Norwegian.
Found the 7 short, 1 long blast, but you don't need to come here. Just this.
And also to know the style and to know our audience.
Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa fine dining restaurant. Happy birthday, Ate Ched! Ate Ched, happy birthday! Wala pa. Hi guys! Let's go! It's our day 2 here at Spectrum of the Seas. I'm already done eating. I'm with K2.
Hey guys!
And Dre and Ched na busy mag-avail ng wifi.
Sure na ako. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Wala, parang hindi mo ang sweet room to.
Kaya siya tinitignan tayo.
Hi guys! I'm with the birthday girl. Papasok na kami ng gali so bawal na mag-video. So meron kaming tour kasi ngayon itong day na to. Then ayan, nagtutuloy sa amin siya yung executive siya. Hi guys! So tapos na kami sa loob ng gali. Sobrang laki and sobrang nakaka-amaze yung mga Filipino work. Ito yung main dining nila. This is the main dining. Ayan siya.
Operation plan serving on. You seen it when you guys are walking around. We have a shop.
Pupunta na kami sa next destination ng tour. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan. Royal Theater. We are going up. Up.
Nearly 20 years. I don't look old enough, I know. But I am old enough.
Oh, Japanese.
Oh, yeah. This way. You have no children, so you can go and have a look.
Nag-iisip bata!
Because wala kaming bata, pwede kayong kuhain.
Yay!
Wala kaming bata. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yaman talaga. Yaman talaga sa...
Magsisleep.
Angela sa leeg.
Hi guys, we're done for today's tour.
Dito, babe. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so after namin ng ship tour, ito ang outfit ko. This one. This is from Kyle and this is my Crocs. Ano ka ba? Hi guys! So, ano kami mag-bump car. Let's go guys!
Halatang may...
Now at Cplex! Yay! Sobrang saya ng birthday girl, oh. Sobrang saya niya, oh.
Hey guys, so pupunta kami ngayon dito. Palabas pala dito.
Oh.
Sa labas.
Wow! So, ito yung Deck 14. Oh my God, ito yung Deck 14, guys. Sobrang araw dito, pero sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig! So, ito yung view namin, guys. Super, super. Hi, guys. Doon na kami mag-picture taking dito sa Deck 15. So, we're now going to Deck 14 to grab a free ice cream. My favorite dessert. Yan, this is how it looks like. Then, pipila kami here to get the free ice cream. Unlimited. Hi guys, this is my lunch. I got a herb chicken, or herb roasted chicken I think. Then this one is my DIY salad and mac and cheese. Hi guys, ito kami sa 270. Ano ba to? Bar ba to? Siguro bar to. Pero yun, ang ganda niya. Oh my God, guys. Sobrang gaganda dito. Hala, ayun pala yung front ng ship.
Harap ba to? Likod pala to, guys. Sorry, likod
Sa likod kami ng barko. Yan yung view. Ito yung itsura niya.
Oh, we already have lyrics here, guys. It's easier for you guys, right?
Hi guys! So today, ito na naman kami sa main dining. Hi, dito ulit kami sa main dining. Hala, type ni Ate Jade. Type ni Ate Jade. Nakita mo? Oo. Nakain ulit kami here for dinner. Hi guys! So, it's the captain's night. May free drinks. So, kaya ganito yung mga dress namin. Ganito yung dress. Pupunta kami ngayon sa musical. This one. Hi guys! So, it's our day 3 here in Royal Caribbean. Tapos na po birthday ni Chen.
Sad. Wala na akong privilege na mang-asar.
So, kain ulit kami ng breakfast namin here sa Windjammer.
Hi guys!
Hi! Hello, Kumamoto! I'm now in Japan! Wala!
Hindi ba siya fully bloom?
Okay. Guys, it's dinner time in the main dining. So si Kate ay walang energy today, so wala, di siya masaya. Kawawa naman to.
Masaya ako. Masakit ng lalamunan ko.
It's our day 4 ba to?
Yeah, it's our day 4. Para na tayo nasasabihin.
It's our day 4 here and we're now in lamig here.
Smile video.
Hello. Dito kami sa park. Ha? Guys, this is a cherry blossom. So guys, dito kami sa third destination namin sa Fukuoka tour. So hi guys, tapos na kami here sa tour dito sa parks, dito sa Fukuoka, na madaming cherry blossoms, pero hindi na sila fully bloom. So ngayon pupunta naman kami sa Fukuoka Tower and hoping we can eat lunch there because I want to eat the authentic ramen here. Kaya wish me luck! Sana. Actually, parang itong vlog na to, sobrang daming skip. Sobrang dami niyang skip kasi may times na hindi nga ako nakapag-vlog. Just to enjoy the educational tour. But anyways, I'm having fun here so far. And iba yung experience, syempre. Hi guys, naglagay na ako ng sweater kasi sobrang lamig. One. Hi guys, so after Fukuoka tour, kakain ulit kami. Walang katapusang kain, pero thankful because of the tour, cruise, educational tour. Bye. Early dinner. Si Katie. And this is our view before departing Fukuoka. Go. Hi po.
Welcome to cruise.
Kate! Hi guys, mag-theater kami after dinner. Ano yung... So, ito daw pala yung show. It's Funny Bones. Tapos na yung theater. First time ko manood dito sa Royal Caribbean. Ito, tawang-tawa yan siya. Oh, itong tao na to. Gawin mo nga. Gawin mo nga. Hi guys, so, eto na kami. Malapit na kami sa 270. Onting walk na lang. Ito siya. And, ay, may showing pala siya. It's the Silk Road. This one.
Dear students, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our partner for this program. We have the group tour specialist, which is by Royal Caribbean. So thank you so much.
Okay, so umakyat kami. Galing kaming deck 4. Umakyat kami para mag-picture dito kasi nandito nga yung name ng Royal Caribbean and ng logo nila. So kami lang nila talaga nag-picture doon. Sobrang lamig, 12 degrees na. Grabe. Halika dito! Hey guys, so dami na namin ginawa. Hihingi na lang ako kay Kate ng mga video ka mo kasi di ako nag-vlog eh.
Oo nga, tama.
Sobrang nai-enjoy ko talaga siya eh. Nai-enjoy ko. Nakapag-bump car kami. Lahat sila pinalipad ko ang kanilang ulo. Masaya ako, masaya.
Ang ganda ng pagka-break.
Hi guys, it's our last day here.
Ano ba yan? Sabay pa?
The first thing, everyone check your